What is up, guys? Welcome to today's video. I am super excited because I'm going to give you a tour of my school group. If you didn't know, been living under a rock, I launched a school group to help people take their business to the next level. Please watch this video. I don't do this. I don't think I've ever done this, where it's just kind of like, hey, join my thing. I want to show it to you. I'm just really excited about this group and just a ton of cool features in here. I'm going to keep this super short. So just give me like 5 minutes and I promise you will not regret it. So the group is only $15 a month. People are calling me crazy for only doing it. It's 2 bi-weekly calls going over basically advanced tactics that you could use to kind of grow your Amazon business. A lot of just live sourcing, how to scale the business, things you have to put in place to scale the business. I'll be getting 6, 7, 8-figure sellers on here to interview them and all that good stuff. But the best part about this is going to be the classroom, especially if you're new and getting started. This right here is basically a course. It is all my best content that I've created. It's probably about, I don't know, there's about 3-ish hours of sourcing just in these videos alone. So there's probably about 4 or 5 hours worth of content here. I go over everything you need to get started. If this is probably a super comprehensive course, if you just did this, if you got the $15, did this for a month and just left and did this course, you could probably get your business up to 10K in sales. I mean, I can't see how it's not possible. I give you 15 websites you could source from, 5 stores you could shop tax-free, how to do that, how to get engaged in Lego and any other brand. 3 hours of live sourcing, how to read Keepa charts for variations, new Keepa feature, how to restock replenishables, things to watch out for, how to create shipments using inventory labs. That video alone took me like 2 or 3 hours to make, and I condense it down to you for like 30 minutes. And then you also have how to beat inauthentic complaints. Everything you need right there, which is super cool. This will grow as the group grows and I get more content in here. So you have the tank checklist. So you'll get a copy of the checklist that you could open while you're actually sourcing. And I have an hour-long video sourcing using the tank checklist to kind of show you, what makes a product that is less likely to tank. I don't even know, there's probably like 8 to 10 things just in the checklist alone to be on the lookout for. This is probably the best, most useful. So this is the exact spreadsheet that I use in my business to track all my online arbitrage purchases, replenishables, stuff like that. I walk you through in 30 minutes exactly how to set up these sheets. All you have to do is set up one sheet in SellerAmp. I show you exactly how to do that. And then you just download the rest of the spreadsheets and then you just add the tabs into that one spreadsheet and then you're good to go. I show you exactly the 5 or 6 spreadsheets I use in my business, how I stay organized. This is probably one of my favorite and I'm really excited. A lot of people have said good things about that. And then all the tools and softwares I use in my business with special discounts for you guys. So that is that. Then we have the calendar. Again, we're doing 2 calls a week or bi-weekly calls. And they're over here and you can kind of get into them with Zoom. First call is this Tuesday, 7 p.m. Would love to have you in there. And then you have the members area. I'm not going to click into that, but if you click on that, it will show you all the members in the group. You have the ability to follow them and message them. The reason I'm not going to show you that is because there's like some back end stuff on there. And then you have the actual community, which is probably one of the best parts. You have all these tags. So all these different tags you could just click on. So if someone asks a question about Keepa, you could see all the chat around Keepa and it's so much more organized than a Discord. You have the ability to ask any question. You just have to title it and just put whatever your question is. And then you just select a category. These will grow as the group grows. You could attach a video. You could add a link. You could add an attachment. There's so much stuff you could do here. I am in this group all the time. It also is great on mobile, which is my favorite. We already got 25 people in here, actually 24, because I am a member of the group. So I would love to see you guys in here if you are looking to grow and expand your Amazon business. Definitely check it out, guys. If you think it sucks and you don't like it, just send me a DM and I will happily refund you. I am so excited about this community and helping people grow their Amazon businesses, and I hope to see you on the inside. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, DMs, or anything like that, and like and subscribe. Appreciate you guys, and I'll see you inside.